How to install driver in Windows system. Install via USB driver. Connect the computer to the printer with a USB cable. Insert the USB drive. Open USB driver folder. Select the driver files for installation folder. Select the Windows folder. Open the driver. Click on Install. Click on Finish to complete the driver installation. Download the driver from Nelko official website. Search for www.nelkoprint.com. Click on Support, then click on Driver and User Manual. Find D810, then click on Drivers. Download drivers for Windows system. Connect the computer to the printer with a USB cable. Open the driver, click on Install. Click on Finish to complete the driver installation. Computer settings after driver installation. Open Windows settings. Click on Device. Click on Printers and Scanners. Click on D810, then click on Manage. Click on Printing Preferences. Click on Page Setup. Select Tattoo Printer in Media Setting Type. Click on OK to complete the setup. Open a file you want to print. In Print Preview, select the D810 as the printer. Click on Properties. Click on Page Setup. Check if the media setting type selection is Tattoo Printer. Select Letter in Stock. Click on Print when you have completed all the settings.